Welcome back guys, and I hope you are doing amazing. In this video, we'll be showing you some products that you never knew you needed, but will definitely upgrade your life. The links to all the products are in the description. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go! A lightning pole, a desk lamp and a torchlight all in one gadget. Here is this telescopic lantern which can extend up to 1 meter and is a must-have for all the outdoor adventure lovers. Its magnetic tripod allows easy attachment to cars and ships. And that is not it, because this lantern can also function as a power bank for your mobile phone and can run on solar energy. Now, no need to carry a keyboard with you if you have to do extensive typing work on your iPad or iPhone. This Textblade consists of 3 keyboard-like plates which snap together magnetically. Because of its remarkably small size, now you can have a whole office in your pocket. It connects with your devices through Bluetooth and can be charged in no time through a USB port. For all those people here who have hypertension problems and their blood pressure fluctuates easily throughout the day, having a constant check on their blood pressure is crucial, because even slight carelessness can lead to a problem. That is why this blood pressure smartwatch is introduced, which features a patented dual inflatable air cuff design. It can work for up to 7 days just on a single recharge. AirTags are a super smart way to keep a right track for your belongings, but what if you can't also keep track of your AirTags? This link and lock for AirTags is an amazing way to attach your AirTags to belongings. These operate on a 3-digit combination lock and protect your car tags from scratches and bumps, hence improving their longevity. Gone are the days when you had to go for manual screwdrivers, because with this electric screwdriver, house repairs and woodwork have never been easier. This ergonomic and lightweight smart screwdriver provides electric torque, and the movement of your hand commands its movement as well. Moreover, it is equipped with 34 screwdriver bits so that you can deal with various screws. For all the smart runners here who are trying to improve their running, we have a treat for you. These Run Smart insoles consist of 16 sensors placed underneath the sock line of your shoes, and these are connected to GPS trackers attached to outside of your shoe's ankle collar. Through a mobile app, you can have detailed data about your running speed, foot strike pattern, balance and pronation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. This device is a revolution in the gaming industry because it is a laptop, and that kind of laptop which easily fits in your hands. It has a full QWERTY keyboard, 2 thumbsticks, a direction pad and 4 command keys, just like any game console. Its large cooling fan makes sure that the heat of the system does not slow down your game. In today's world where there are so many online deliveries, safety and security should be a priority. For having a real-time check on the person outside your doorstep, a video bell is a must. This Google Nest doorbell is easy to install and is wire-free. You can leave a message for expected visitors and deliveries in case you are not home.
You can just leave it. Thanks.
Hey Google, show me the front door.
Sure, streaming front door.
And there you go, it's showing the front door.
When drones became mainstream, everyone was instantly obsessed with them. But now this Dronut is one step forward in the drone technology. This bi-rotor drone, which can easily fit in the palm of your hand and is designed to fly in congested places without bumping into objects because of its specialized sensors. And even if it does bump into something, its tough body won't be damaged. At first glance, these cars seem like any other racing cars which kids play with, but there is more to the story. These cars are equipped with an FPV camera which helps you view its journey. This car is remote controlled, so you can also use these cars to have a racing competition with your friends. It is made of ABS plastic, which is eco-friendly and has a double power protection to prevent battery loss. If you are a movie lover, you can now carry the whole cinema with you. This mini portable projector can easily fit inside your pocket and help you watch your favorite movies and shows on a bigger screen anywhere. It is also a great enjoyment for your outdoor trips and can also help you give your presentation in non-traditional conference rooms. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you haven't seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Write in the comments which of the products impressed you most. Bye bye.